Hello guys, welcome on Primavera Institute Forum. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can join me live online. It is very easy. Just follow the steps I'm going to explain and you will connect with me in the next lecture. So let's start how you guys can join my lectures live online. Just like physical classes, you can attend live online classes and you will feel much better what you have in your mind that live online classes would be like this or that. So let's start how it will work for you. So the first of all, how you guys can join me, and there are only 2 minutes you will take from your precious time to do this job. So what is the step? And the first thing, Zoom Cloud Meeting application looks like this. Okay, you can either install this application in your laptop, or you can install this application on your mobile as well. You can have best features in Zoom Cloud Meeting application. Whatever I will be teaching, I will be sharing screens, multiple screens with you guys. So how to start it? First of all, go to your mobile Play Store. If you have iPhone, you have to go App Store. Otherwise, you have to visit your mobile Play Store. This is the procedure for mobile, from mobile if you want to attend my classes. So once you will be in your mobile Play Store, you have to write their Zoom Cloud Meeting app. Just write Zoom Cloud Meeting app, and then you will be given this application. Just install this application in your mobile, and then what is the next step? You have to make sign up the same way you have installed Facebook in your mobile. It will take also the same steps, so you have to just make sign up. Now the next procedure, after you install the setup for Zoom Cloud, you have to go and make sign up for your account. And once it's done, you are ready, and congratulations, you are ready to join me, to connect with me. Okay, this is the step. So for if you want to join me from your laptop, so what is the procedure? I will share with you the real time scenario. You will just go into your mobile laptop, Google Chrome, right here, zoom.us, and then click on enter. It will take you on this area: Zoom, video conferencing, web conferencing, webinars. Just click on this button, because you know that that is the zoom.us website. Just click on this link and you will be uh, on here. Okay, and here you can find out that you will find out here, sign up. Okay, I have already account over here, and you can just here you can find sign up. Just click on that button, and you can just download your Zoom setup from this option. Just click on resources, drop down window will be given over here, download Zoom client. Just click on this button, and after that you have to go for the first option. As long as you will click on this download button, it will start downloading in your system. And here there would be, because I have my account already over here, you can see sign out. If you don't have any account on zoom.us website while using your application from your laptop, you can click sign up, and you can provide the basic information, your email address. They will send you the verification email. Just go into your email and click on that send link and provide your first name, second name, and set the password, and that's it. Okay, I hope you guys understand what you need to do to connect with me in free live online demo classes of Primavera 6 and project management. Thank you very much for this.